So here we need to work out 80 divided by 2. We know that to divide, we can count up in steps of the divisor until we get to the dividend, but it would take us a long time to count up in steps of 2 until we reached 80. So instead, let's count up in steps of 10 times 2, so in steps of 20. 10 twos are 20. Then if we count on another 10 twos, we have another 20, so that takes us to 40. Another 10 twos takes us to 60. And then another 10 twos takes us to our dividend, takes us to 80. So altogether, we counted on 10 steps of 2 4 times. So that's 40 steps of 2. So our answer is 40. And we can see that if we know that 8 divided by 2 is 4, then 8 tens divided by 2 is 4 tens. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. We could also think of 80 divided by 2 as sharing 80, so that's 8 tens, between 2 groups. When we do that, we can see that we have 4 tens in each group, so that's 40 in each group. So what is 120 divided by 2? Well, 10 times 2 is 20, so let's count up in steps of 10 times 2, in steps of 20. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. So we counted 6 steps of 10 times 2, and because 6 times 10 is 60, we know that 120 divided by 2 is 60. And again, we can see that if we know that 12 divided by 2 is 6, then 120, that's 12 tens, divided by 2 is 6 tens. So 120 divided by 2 is 60. We could also think of 120 divided by 2 as sharing 102 tens, so that's 120, between 2 groups. We can't share out our 100 because when we divide by sharing, we need the same amount in each group, so we need to break up our 100 into 10 tens. That now gives us 12 tens altogether, and we can see that when we share out those 12 tens, when we share out 120, we have 6 tens in each group, so 120 divided by 2 is 60.